In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your closet go from this to this. What is up, internet? How are you people? Welcome to Hoodie Obsessed. My name is Kevin Gaddis. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your closet look super color coordinated and freaking awesome. So if you guys are ready, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is use your phone or tablet or computer, doesn't really matter. I'm recording with my phone, so I gotta use my computer. You're gonna go on Google and you're gonna type in color order. And you're gonna go to images and you're gonna find whichever one looks the most appealing to you. I personally think this one is the best. This is what I'm gonna make my closet based off of. So I'm gonna put this image up for you guys on the screen. I'll also leave a link in the description for you guys. And I'm gonna follow this color order. I'm gonna show you my process on how I actually do that. Hopefully we'll get your closet looking all nice and color coordinated. So the first step is just get all the clothes out of your closet that you're gonna be using. Obviously I'm just doing my hoodies for today. So I'm gonna get all my hoodies and dump them in a pile. The next step is to just go through them one by one, put them in a separate pile until you get the colors that you need at the beginning. I'm starting off my closet from white to black, then I'm going to be doing from red to purple. So just grab all the ones you need at the beginning, like the whites, grays, and blacks, and then you're going to repeat this process to grab all the reds, and so on. So I put on the top right of your screen a light to dark graphic. This is going to guide me and show me which colors that are supposed to go in order. If you guys want to use this image for your own closet, the link will be in the description. Just make sure that you have the brightest one at the beginning and your darkest one right at the end. Now when it comes to your colors, I'm going to start from dark red to light red and then to the orange and so on and so forth. You guys can see the image at the top right of your screen. If you have a light in your closet, that'll be great. If not, I recommend using the flash on your phone or something, just so you can make sure that your colors are lighter than the previous colors or darker than the previous colors, depending on the color graphic that you're using. What I like to do after I'm done is just spread out the hangers a little bit, make them even as possible, and you're pretty much done. Congratulations, you now have a sick looking color coordinated closet. That's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my next hoodie video. My name is Kevin Gaddis. This is Hoodie Obsessed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, stay safe, God bless. See you guys next time.